Hey guys, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we'll talking about Dynatrace introduction. Dynatrace professional certification validates that you have knowledge of the Dynatrace infrastructure, data collection and analysis, integration points, and visualization concept. The professional certification is two parts exams: the written exam, which is multiple choice questions, and the practical exam, which is multiple question as well as tasks you need to perform to demonstrate or through understanding of the product. To achieve professional certification, you must pass the written exam prior to sitting for the practical exam. The written and practical exams are administered to two separate sessions. You must complete the practical exam within 3 months of passing the written exam. Hey guys, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we will talking about prerequisite knowledge. While knowledge of Dynatrace is required to achieve this certification, examinees must also have familiarity of working knowledge in the following areas. The first one is service-oriented application architectures. The next one is application servers such as WebSphere, WebLogic, JBoss, Tomcat, and IaaS. The next one is familiarity with cloud and new stack technologies such as Azure, AWS, Docker, and Cloud Foundry. The next one is network protocols and administrations. So that's all from this lecture, and always see you in the next lecture with interesting topic. You can also check out my Dynatrace certification course tutorials, link in description.